x minus 2y raised to power 5. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so rigorous to perform. Imagine carrying out x minus 2y times x minus 2y in 5 places. Wow. Well, worry no more, because we're going to be using a simplified approach, which is the binomial expansion method, with the use of Pascal's triangle in obtaining the coefficients of x and y. All right, so let's go together. So the first step, we present an array of coefficients in this manner using Pascal's triangle. So we'll start with 1, 1, 1. So 1, 1, we're going to form a triangular array now. So 1 plus 1, that's equal to 2. So the next step, we begin with 1 and end in 1. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, that is 3. Then the next line, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 3 plus 3, that's 6. 3 plus 1, it's 4. Then we move to the next array of number. 1 plus 4, that's equal to 5. 4 plus 6, 10. 6 plus 4 is also 10. 4 plus 1, that's equal to 5. So let's count the number of lines we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so in this case, this becomes the coefficient terms for x and y in the expansion. Now, once we have done this, then we have taken a very good step. Now, the next thing we take note of is that 1, there are 6 terms in the coefficient. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 terms that will form the coefficients. And 2, the power of x and y put together must be equal to 5. Point 3 to note, while the power of x will be decreasing, then the power of y will increase correspondingly. Okay, so let's start the process. So let's restate the problem. X minus 2y raised to power 5. So let's expand. Now, in the expansion, we begin with the first term, okay, times the second term. The power of the first term will be 5, while the power of the second term will be 0. So let's multiply. We have x times, that's x power 5 now, multiplied by minus 2y, then this will be power 0, then plus x. Now x will decrease to 4, the power will be decreased to 4, while this one will increase, times minus 2y, this is power 1, plus x power 3 times minus 2y raised to power 2, plus, now x will decrease to 2, the power will decrease to 2, while this will increase to 3, 2y raised to power 3, plus x is now power 1, minus 2y will increase to power 4, plus, now x will be 0, while the power of y will increase to 5. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 terms. Then the next thing we do, let's fix the coefficients. The first one is 1, the second one is 5, then the third one is 10, then the fourth one is equally 10, and the fifth one is 5, then the sixth one is 1. So the next thing we do is to simplify. So this will be equal to x raised to power 5. Then here, this will be 1, because a number raised to power 0 is 1. So this will be 1. So we just have x power 5 here. Then the next term will now be equal to, now look at this, the constant term here is minus 2. Minus 2 raised to power 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 times 5, we get a negative 10. Then x power 4, and we are left with y here. Power 1 is y. Then the next term, work on the exponent first. Minus 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4. 4 times 10, that's 40. So we have positive 40. X power 3, y power 2. Then we move to the next term. Minus 2 raised to power 3 is equal to negative 8. Negative 8 times 10 will give us negative 80. So we'll be having 8 minus 80 x power 2, then y power 3, then plus the next term here, minus 2 raised to power 4. It's equal to 16. 16 times 5, that's equal to 80. So we have positive 80 x, then y power 4, and we move to the last term here. X power 0 is 1. Negative 2 raised to power 5 will give us a negative 32, then y raised to power 5. Now let's observe that each term the power is 5 here. 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 5. This is power 1 plus 4 is 5, and this is 5. So we have successfully expanded this form, and this is what we have. Thank you so much for watching this video.